Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn how to compile a Quarkus application in native mode. Let's start. I already created a simple project with just one endpoint that print hello native. Inside the POM XML you can see the profile with ID native, with the name native, and of course with Quarkus package type native. The first thing is to open the terminal and check that Graal is installed in your system. In my case, I already have an environmental variable Graal home, and here I can see the native image and the GU. If I type, for example, GU info native image, here I can see the version of my GraalVM installed. Now I will go inside the folder of my project and I'm going to type mvn package -p native. P stands for profile and native is the profile that we need to use. And now we need to wait. As you can see here, we are executing the native test. Very well. Now inside this folder you can find a new folder called target, and inside the folder target you can see different files. You can see also the result of our compilation with the file Quarkus.native 1.0.0 snapshot runner. Let's run this file. Very well. Our server is up and running. Now I want to show you another way to compile our project in native mode. Let's type mvn package -Dquarkus.package.type equal native. This command will create a native executable, but it will not run the native test. In the same way, you can see now the target folder, and inside the target folder all the files and also the runner file. Let's run it. Very good. Last but not least, I want to show you how to create an executable that will run on Linux machine or in a container. You need to set another Quarkus variable when using the native profile. So let's type mvn package -p native -d Quarkus.native.container-build equal true. As you can see here, the build process is now different than building an executable for macOS, for example. So to produce a Linux executable, the build process needs to run a Docker container. In the same way, inside the target folder, you can see the result of the compilation. Thank you for watching this video, I hope you like it. If you have any questions or doubts, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can find me on Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. And see you in the next video about Quarkus. Bye!